everyone, here's a little video to show you how to use the world through a local's eyes map. When you open up the map, this is what you will see. The global map with all the recommendations from local home exchanges all over the world. Clicking on any of the pins will give you a short description about what our home exchanger likes about the place, the translation if available, and more information about the local who recommended it. On the left side of the page, you will see the map legend and all the layers of the map. All the recommendations that we have been categorized based on the languages that they are available in. So all the recommendations are available in English, but if, for example, you speak only French, you can deselect all the other layers and leave just the layered tips in French and English. Then all the recommendations you see remaining on the map are available in these two languages. Another way to use the map is to zoom into the area that you're interested in. For example, if I'm interested in Paris, I can zoom in onto Paris, and then I will see all the recommendations from our members in Paris. Alternatively, you can also use the icons and colors of the pins to give you an indication of the kind of recommendation it is. You can find this information in the map legend that is on the left side of the page. For example, if I'm living in Spain and I would like to visit a lesser known village or town in my country, I can zoom into Spain and look for the blue pins. If you have a recommendation to share, or if you would like more information about the project, head over to the page linked at the top left-hand corner of the screen, and you will be redirected to our landing page, where you will be able to find the map, how you can save the map on your app or on your desktop, as well as a link for you to share your recommendation. Thank you, and we hope you'll enjoy it!